Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what China rare earth is. We'll explore these 17 metallic elements, which are indispensable for countless modern technologies. You'll learn why they are so critical for everything from your smartphone to electric vehicles and even defense systems. We'll also uncover China's significant role in both the reserves and the processing of these vital materials globally. Rare earth elements are truly the unsung heroes of our modern world. They enable the powerful, compact magnets found in electric vehicles and wind turbines, making green energy solutions more efficient. Beyond that, they're integral to the vibrant displays in your cell phone and television. Even critical sectors like medical imaging, advanced lasers, and defense technologies depend heavily on their unique properties. Extracting rare earth elements is a complex and often environmentally challenging process. They are typically obtained through open-pit mining, followed by intensive chemical processing to separate the individual elements. This refining requires strong acids and high temperatures, leading to significant environmental concerns. For every ton of rare earths produced, up to 2,000 tons of toxic and sometimes radioactive waste can be generated, posing risks to soil and water quality. China's dominance in the rare earth market is undeniable, processing between 85 and 95% of the world's supply. The global market for these elements was valued at approximately $3.39 billion in 2023, with projections showing growth to over $8 billion by 2032. This highlights the increasing demand and strategic importance of rare earths worldwide. And speaking of things that make life better, if your car could use a refresh, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.